Hi, my name is Harlan. I'm Director of Operations at a construction company, and I used Airtable, but switched to Google Sheets. And for more reviews, click below. The business problems that these apps help me solve is gathering data and then interpreting data. It does a great job. Both of them do, but we like Google Sheets better. What Google Sheets is best for is that you've got the name Google behind it. So tech support is great. Versatility is also wonderful, and the price is right. Airtable is best for interpreting data, and that's about it, really. I mean, it does the job, but it wasn't good enough for us. So getting started with both products is fairly simple. It's a download and then onboarding your users. Just simple click and point and click, really. The top considerations when looking for software is, does it fit your business needs? And the return on your investment. The cost of the app is vitally important, but if it doesn't do what you want it to do, then it's not important enough. You need to look at also the customer support, and Google Sheets does that for us.